Have you ever noticed this? Some people decide in seconds, and you're still stuck thinking, what if I mess this up? It's not because they're better than you, it's because your mind learned to survive differently. 1. Your mind learned to be careful. Your brain is always trying to protect you. If growing up mistakes got you in trouble, or people laughed at you, or your feelings were ignored, your brain learned this rule. Think first, don't risk it. So now even small choices feel serious. What to say, who to trust, which path to take. Your mind slows down because it thinks danger is near. Not danger to your body, but danger to your feelings. 2. Fast deciders trust themselves more. People who decide fast usually believe one thing: I'll be okay even if this goes wrong. They don't wait for perfect answers. They don't need everyone to agree with them. Slow deciders often think, what if I regret this? What if they judge me? So they wait, they think, they replay it again and again, not because they are weak, but because they care deeply. 3. You feel things deeply, so you think deeply. Some minds feel more. They imagine every result before acting. You don't just decide, you picture how it will affect you and others. Fast minds jump. Deep minds pause. Neither is wrong. They are just different ways of living. 4. Fear sometimes sounds like thinking. That voice in your head saying, wait, think again, sounds smart. But many times it's just fear. Fear of failing, fear of being embarrassed, fear of choosing the wrong thing. So you stay stuck between choices, not because you can't decide, but because you don't want to get hurt. 5. The real difference is trust. It's not about being fast or slow. It's about trust. Do you trust yourself to handle mistakes? Do you believe you can learn if things go wrong? When you trust yourself, choices feel lighter. When you don't, every choice feels heavy. Let me ask you something honestly. What holds you back more? Fear of making the wrong choice or fear of what people will think about your choice? If this felt personal, comment "That's me" below and subscribe to Clever Cues.